Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'll show you how to make a invitation card using AI. Then make it editable. Let's get started. Firstly, open the google.com and type the invitation card and hit enter. Click the image, choose a image, take a screenshot and go to the Gemini or ChatGPT or Flow, etc. and upload the image and generate the prompt and copy the prompt and select the image and mention the size and hit enter. Now download this image or you can generate another one. Download this one now. Go to the Canva and upload this image and crop the image and click the done. Resize this page A4 size, resize this design resize the again now. Select the image, click the edit and choose the magic layers now. Check the my document is editable. You can change name, information or graphics, line, etc. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.